What's up everyone, this is KK channel. At this video I would like to show you how to get a couple of kills in arena in order to increase your points. Also, if you are lucky, you're gonna get the same glitch that I got and you are not going to win the game. Here you see I took the wall. The guy had his shotgun out, had me, and I hammered away trying to heal up. He chases me down. Definitely that's going to be the spirit. And then I'm trying to run away, and this is really a quick in and out. Just get the shotgun, SMG plus, and seal the deal. Alright, over here you see I slide, see the guy from the distance, trying to get a couple of shots, heard him from the distance so I can break the shield. He wouldn't let me, shoot me back. Better aim definitely, and then trying to build up, and I'm trying to still hurt him. Keep the distance, and then being above him is really a key. Get the shotgun out, and that's it. Seal the deal here as well. Here I'm getting shot at from the distance. I notice my wall went out, so he broke my wall. I do see that he's over there. Shoot him back, get some damages, and then he tries to damage me as well. Land some bullets, and I'm seeing he's being pushed by the others. So here is the best chance to get my augment, and then try to, get the broken shield back. So here I am trying to get my shield back, go back to the 200 again, shoot him again, get steal one of the kills, and try to break the opponent's shield, because it is from the distance. Trying to break the walls so he falls down, get the fall damage, and he doesn't get it, so I have to push him. He might be a little weak because of his last fight, and put the wall, edit, and surprise and kill. Here, this is my cone. He tries to break it, cone him back, still have a little advantage because I am above of him. And that's it. Here from the distance, caught this guy off guard. Trying to land a couple of shots. He is trying to get his shield back, take the high advantage, and with his hammer he came to my box and gets punished. Here the first thing is I'm taking this wall because I need it to be mine, and then my opponent comes down, tries to take it, and he took it first and I got it back, killed the other guy. My SMG is already out, did a couple of damages, and placed my walls and everything. I'm trying to get the high advantage, and he goes down to try to get his shield back. I'm taking his wall in his own box, put the ramp so he cannot fight back, and kill him. Easy. Here my SMG out, landing a couple of shots, trying to reduce his shield. He heals up again, plays some walls, anticipate his next move, so I have this wall, and then he anticipates my next move really good, but he edits to my face with no health. Okay, here I'm getting shot at, do not panic, and then put my wall ramp, get this wall, quick edit, and that's it. Easy peasy. Over here, this guy jumps to my box and I punish him because I have the momentum. Trying to get the high advantage in here. so I can control the situation. High advantage is really important in every situation, especially if you're like me, someone who is not that good at build fights. So I'm trying to find this guy. He's not in this box. But I'm still on top because I do not want to lose that high advantage. And then eventually one of the players are getting eliminated, and I know this is going to be my time. I take my augment and try to go in the box. Yes, he's eliminated. I'm trying to go in the box, try to get the wall. He breaks a ramp. He shots better than me, so I place a ramp, then kill him. Here, this is a quick kill. With my DMR, I mark him out, and then now I know where exactly he is in the bushes. He tries to heal up, and I kill him. Here, my opponent has a better landing than me, but I have a better luck. I got an SMG, he got a red point, and I took his crown. Taking this wall, he is waiting for me behind that wall. Replace the wall, edit out. He is going out of his box and then coming to my box, but I'm still not playing aggressive anymore because I have low health. So I take this big pot. It is really important to try to not be aggressive all the time. Sometimes you have to, but this one I play defensive a little bit, and then edit out. I know he's up there. Get him. That's it. My big pot helped me. Here I know that there's a player in that box behind those trees, so I hammer out and I go and try to break his box down. As you guys know, I'm a newbie, so I try to take it with the break the box down with my SMG here. He tries to go up, boxes up, edits in front of me, and I punish him. Here I already know there's a person down there trying to come up the cliff and get me. Try to land a couple of shots, but he has a gold scar, so he tries to get me back. I still think he's down there. He takes a lot of shots to like break my ramp, and I hear him eventually, and I see he's on the other side. Try to take the high advantage. This guy actually coned and he didn't let me open up, but made a mistake, edit to my face, and I punished him. Here my opponent, he takes the shot, goes up. I'm trying to go up as well, and I know he's in that box, so take the wall, edit out. He tries to fight back, but it's too late. Alright, landed at the same spot with this guy. He's panicked, so I know he's gonna make a mistake. Break the ramp, wait for him to edit out, punish him with my shotgun, couple of SMGs, take the ramp, and that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe.